Oh, it's a little different. Good morning, everybody. We are off to the show. I could have probably filmed this morning. We were trying to get stuff ready. I'm in the RX-7. Everything else is already there. You guys saw that last night. And so, the car was dead this morning. Apparently, the Malibu's dead too, and so is the wagon. So I had to boost the RX-7, which is scary because when you boost RX-7s, sometimes you can like flood them because you don't have enough power to fire up that fuel that's getting dumped in. But anyways, it went okay. I got my buddy Steve behind us. You see him? He's coming to help us out with the show today, and so he boosted me with his Corolla. Toyota saves the day once again. So yeah, we're on our way to the show. So well, let's get the Brent set up shit, and we got a lot to do. Yeah, you can maybe try that. So we got the Brent, and not only the damn car didn't start this morning, but oh, look who showed up. What's up, bro? Look at this shit. That big ass f***ing rock, man. Right there. Make a necklace out of that rock. Oh, it's a little different. Okay, so we just got here and there's stuff set up where we're supposed to be set up and stuff, so I'm not really sure what's going on right now. How are we gonna set this up? We're going to power's there. I thought they'd be further back. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna have our back to them now. Yeah, come on. So there we go, sort of. Camera's fogged up. Okay, so we're getting kind of sort of set up. We gotta go back and get that heavy Chevy now. Nick just showed up. So, yeah, we got a lot of work to do still. It's getting late, we're running out of time. We're supposed to wash things, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. How you doing there? Yeah. Nick brought us an 8.6. So we're here, we're starting to set everything up. All the cars are starting to line up, getting everything ready. It's gonna be a good show. Quick tire change before the show. Oh, I need this on. Oh yeah. Found the socket. So, it's still early here. Not a lot of people have showed up yet. We're setting up our stuff. We were allowed to come a little bit early. Good show. Thanks for the people here. And also, there's going to be a parade soon, so we're going to try and get that for you too. The keys are in this car, but in the wrong place. They're locked in the trunk.
Yeah, we got to undo the whole bucket thing to get in the trunk now. Yeah. Look at the Ellis, there's no thing.
No. It's a gift and a curse.
Yeah, that's what having a base model is.
Yeah.
Wildcard? Ah non, ils sont tous après mes chandails, j'ai mis ici.
Well, our friends from Mod Squad should be showing up any minute now. Just see where we put them.
Out of order, get them out of the way, and I'll park them later.
One of the closest to the stage or something. Oh yeah? Yeah. Okay. Well, stay down there for a minute, which is right next to Nick there? Yeah. Okay. We'll fill in there and we'll move you up after we'll try to. Awesome. Trying not to spin.
Car clubs here today. We got Rebel Rides, Champlain Valley Classic Cruisers. We have a Camaro Firebird Trans Am Club, the Mod Squad, the Adrenaline Junkies, and we have a couple vendors here today. We got Nick's Drift Shop in the back. Go check them out. Lots of cool parts. We got Robbie's Smokehouse and Burgers. They're selling food all day. And lots more going on. So have a good day, everybody. We're just getting started. We got some music coming your way. Hopefully we're going to have some nice sunshine and a beautiful day.
So I guess I'm doing most of the filming today because Tim's announcing the show, telling everybody what to do. I guess like a boss he is.
n'est pas enregistré encore, tu peux y aller au gazebo, au milieu, et faire des papiers de registration pour avoir des trophées, des prix. If you haven't registered already, please make your way over to the gazebo. You can sign up, and that way you're eligible for all the trophies and prizes. Thank you.
You can see for the first time behind me, first time ever, we got the whole crew lined up together. All 6 cars. Car guys, the Malibu, the wagon, and the Nova. And rolling on the import side, the 240, the RX-7, and the drift car. Oh, you see all those stickers? See all those stickers? Change of plans, show up today, we're giving them away. Oh, sweet. What's that? Free food? Huh? I just... Oh, come on, man, go home. Too many times. Every time we go to the track. Check that shirt, bro. We missed that race pod by we're good. You look suit. It's not even worse, Tim. It's raining. It's pouring down the highway on the way. Really? Woo. Gagnant ici pour le 50-50.
Maybe it's running out of power?
So it's always fun when we're having technical difficulties,
Nobody?
especially with the speakers,
Okay.
right?
Going once, going twice.
What happened, buddy? What happened, buddy?
I got no juice, I got no power. So the generator ran out of gas, right? And then they plugged in this other booster thing to have a bit of sound so I could MC and talk and stuff. We got stuff to give away, and Brent's off getting gas right now. We got this.
That's the excitement for today.
Alright, merci tout le monde pour votre patience. Thanks everybody for the patience. We had a little technical difficulty, but we're back on track now. And we're ready to rock and roll. We got some prizes to give away. We tried this 50-50 on the C'est la 50-50.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Mission accomplished. The show's done. We did what we had to do. That was interesting. It was definitely educational. I had fun. I got a lot to learn. I hope we get to come back here and do this next year because it's gonna be twice as cool, twice as good. I'll have more time to put some more stuff into it. Thanks for watching. We gotta get everything loaded and the hell out of here before it starts to rain. The weather's not good. So, peace out. Stay happy.